Very good morning, students. In previous chapter, we study biodiesel production. What is biodiesel? Why we need production of biodiesel, and what are the sources which are used for biodiesel production? And now we study in this part transesterification, which are under the biodiesel production process. What is the transesterification process? In this process, triglyceride react with alcohol in the presence of catalyst and form methyl ester, and this methyl ester is known as biodiesel, and also been obtained a very important byproduct which is known as glycerol, which is used in several applications like as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, food processing, and so on. And on the basis of resources which are used for the biodiesel production, we select a catalyst. If we used refined oil for the production of biodiesel, then we use alkaline catalyst, that is maybe NaOH or KOH, which are most common used in as a alkaline catalyst. If our feedstock which are used for biodiesel production contain very high free fatty acid, then we choose acid catalyst. As is shown, when triglyceride reacts with methanol in the presence of methyl ester, we obtain biodiesel and glycerol. After refining, and the obtained biodiesel quality, which depends on several parameters, that is molar ratio, in which quantity or in which ratio you used oil as well as alcohol. Second, catalyst concentration. Generally 0.5 to 1.5% by weight of oil catalyst is used so that we prevent too much causes of soap formation. If we use more concentration of catalyst, then maybe soap is formed, which is not our purpose in this process. Another one is temperature. Generally temperature is maintained at 60 to 65 degrees centigrade during the conversion process of feedstock into biodiesel production, because if temperature is high, then they may be accelerate the reaction and be found more byproduct like glycerol as compared to biodiesel. Reaction time, this is also very important parameter which affect the yield of biodiesel. Hence we generally use 60 to 90 minutes in this process. If time is increases, then the quality of the biodiesel is degraded. Another one very important parameter is free fatty acid content. If you don't know the content of free fatty acid in the feedstock, then you are not able to choose the optimum catalyst, that is alkaline or acidic. That's why according to nature, when we know the nature of the feedstock, then according to the nature of the feedstock we select catalyst, that is alkaline or acidic or enzymatic. Now we move on production process. First we done treatment of the feedstock, that is filtering to remove solid impurities and as well as also remove moisture content present in feedstock. If more moisture is present in feedstock, then we are not able to prevent soap formation, which is not our motive in this process. Another is mixing and reaction. When we mixed alcohol and catalyst and form alkoxide, that is methyl ester, which is known as biodiesel, and also in presence of catalyst, and then this process obtained biodiesel is move in separation tank, where we separate biodiesel and glycerol. Then obtained biodiesel is washed and remove the presence of residual catalyst and obtained a better quality of biodiesel. Now this obtained biodiesel is used directly in IC engine applications. Now there are basically two methods of production of biodiesel, that is batch production methods, and another one is continuous production method. In batch production method, this is a traditional method which is used for the biodiesel production in a fixed quantity. But in case of when we need high amount of biodiesel production process, then we move on continuous production methods, which is discussed in after another part. Now, thank you.